Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a green risotto. Star of the show is Cavolo Nero. We're going to get lemon, white wine, garlic, all the good stuff. Super simple. Sometimes risotto can just be really fussy and really finicky, and there's a few things that are super important to get right. It is all in the technique, but this one's super simple. Start by washing your kale. Then we're going to remove the stalk, roughly chop, and pop inside a food processor. Now, if you had a Vitamix, you get this really, really fine and your whole risotto will be bright green. But in the case of this, we've only got a food processor, so there'll be little chunks, but it's going to be equally as delicious. Dice a regular brown onion. I'm going to crush and finely chop about 6 cloves of garlic. Get your pot on with some olive oil and some butter. Add your onions, adding in your bay leaves. Now in the meantime, we're going to grate our pecorino. Once the onions translucent, add your garlic. Then we're going to deglaze with our wine. Next, add in your arborio rice. Now stir everything until the wine has evaporated. Season to taste. Now we're going to have our stock at the ready, nice and hot, adding in 1 ladle at a time and stirring that in until it's all evaporated. Want to make sure it stays relatively wet. Next, we're going to chop up our parsley. Chop those up really fine and add them while we are still cooking. Carry on with your stock. Now we're going to add the juice from about half a lemon. Add our kale when our rice is about 3 minutes off from being done. We're going to add the parsley leaves. Remove our bay leaves. Add a couple more knobs of butter. Followed by a cup of pecorino. Another half a lemon. A little bit more stock. Garnish with some parsley leaves and some really good quality truffle oil. Ooh, okay, risotto time. It's so silky. There's enough moisture around it. It's not gluggy. It's nice and light. Then the oil kind of gives it that extra layer, the truffle oil. Ooh, it's a bit of a zing from the lemon. The lemon you can taste, the pecorino, it's like this subtle saltiness. It works well with the lemon. It doesn't kind of overshine the lemon. So it's really nice and bright. The parsley is really fresh. Of course, that kale that's in there is just like nice and bright, not overcooked. Getting a lot of greens in this in an otherwise kind of creamy, not so healthy meal, but it's a bit more healthy. It's great. So if you make this, let me know. Wherever you are, lots of love. Have a great day. Okay, bye. Too animated.